If you haven't tried this for your babies, this is the right time for you to give it a try. Hello sweets, and welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. Thank you for stopping by. Making this recipe, we are going to be needing red millet. Over here I have a clean bowl. I will turn in the red millet inside the bowl, then wash with clean water. Washing the millet is very important. I have to wash about 3 to 4 occasions by changing the water. Until I have a clean water, I stop washing the millet. Don't come and wash 1 minute and go and buy red millet and cook for babies to eat. So you have to wash to the end so that you will see whatever ingredients I added to complete this food. Okay. After washing, this what I have now is clean and ready to use. In a cooking pot, I will add in water, then I will cover, let this water to turn to boil. After boiling the water, now I will add in the red millet inside the pot. What I'm going to be adding next is egg. So if you have already cooked egg, then you can use the egg direct. So now I will just add in a little bit of water, then cover. 5 minutes later, I have to open and see how it's doing. At this point, it has turned to boil. So I will look if it's ready for me to add in the next ingredient. Next ingredient I will be adding is rice. Over here I have 1 cup of rice. I will just wash the rice with clean water, then add it back inside the pot of millet. Then I will cook both together. Recently guys, I'm not adding salt in my baby's food anymore, and they are eating the food because I received a lot of comments after showing when I add a pinch of salt in my baby's food. Some of them are telling me salt is not good. So not that I'm adding it big, I just add a pinch of it, but ever since I'm not adding salt in their food and they are eating it. So that is very good of you guys. I'm really grateful to see your comments in my video. I appreciate you all. Now I will be blending the food with milk. Then after that I will add in a little bit of water. So you can always make use of these two to blend your baby's food. Now I will just add in the yolk, that is the egg yolk. So I will just bring out the egg yolk. I'm not adding the white egg, I'm just making use of the yolk, then blend together. Red millet is one of the best and the healthiest food you can always give your babies. It's very good for their health. You can as well use it to do baby food powder. You can as well cook it like this for them to eat. So it's just so amazing and good for health. So now it's ready. Just serve your babies and let them enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share. Your share give me courage to do more video. Thank you so much.